Good afternoon. It's right after lunch on Monday, August 26th, and I'm inside my kitchen, and I'm about to make some vodka infusions. An infusion is it doesn't have to be alcoholic. An infusion is when you take one product, like these fresh lemons are what I'm going to infuse today, and this other. I could infuse that into an oil, a lemon, like a jojoba or an olive oil, but I've read, I've never done this before, so this is all new. I've read that the infusion will take place faster if you use vodka or some kind of liquor like brandy or something like that. So I have a post about this on my blog, and I'll link you to that. But the first infusion I'm going to make is going to be a lemon infusion. And what I've done is I've rinsed these, washed off these lemons. I've gotten as many of the seeds out of it, there's one right there, as I can. I'm going to put these lemons, I think that's the 2 lemons. This whole thing's an experiment. So I'm going to put these 2 lemons into this ball mason jar. Okay, that fills it up to about, I don't know, 12 ounces, I think. There's a lemon. Now, this is 1/2 cup. This is 1/2 cup of Smirnoff vodka. Let's see how much of that it takes. It's going to take a little bit more than that. So I'd say about a cup of vodka to cover, because you want to completely cover that. You want to completely cover your lemons. So I'm putting some more. I'm going to go for it again and see what we got here. That was not quite another half cup. So I'd say about 3/4 cup will do. And then you have to you need a lid. This is a ball jar, and I have a handy dandy ball lid with a little metal rim, and I'm gonna cover that. I'm gonna put that in my closet. I have a closet for drying roses and flowers, and now for infusing liquids. I'm gonna put that in that dark, cool closet, and I'm gonna wait 3 days, and then we're gonna check it. Now, after 3 days, if there is not enough lemon taste to it, you just go for a while longer. Now, what I'm gonna do is after I infuse this liquid, these lemons into that vodka satisfactorily, I'm going to pour this liquid into a smaller ball jar to store it. And I think it'll store about 6 months, but we'll see. But then what you can do with that, you could like mix that with ginger ale or with tonic water, ice and tonic water, put a slice of fresh lemon on there, and man, that'll be a good summertime lemonade. And speaking of lemonade, there's no reason why you couldn't put sugar in that. Try it.